What do you get when you mix machine guns and flightless birds? One of history's most hilarious battles, the EMU War. After World War I, Aussie farmers faced a new enemy, emus. These giant birds were munching crops like it was a buffet. So the government called in the troops. Armed with machine guns, the soldiers thought they'd win easily. But those emus were like ninja birds. They dodged bullets, outsmarted soldiers, and kept on feasting. Thousands of rounds later, the humans were defeated. The emus? Barely a scratch. Today we remember the EMU War as a time when nature said, "Nice try, humans," and won.